Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again with more probability questions for the SAT level medium category E, which is all about finding a value first and then finding a probability. So we'll do two together and I'll leave you with a third like usual. If there are 700 eggs in a store and 36 eggs are bought each day, what is the probability that a certain egg won't have been bought by end of day 10 if the eggs are bought at random? So end of day 10 tells me that there have been 10 days of buying. And it says won't have been bought. So let's say we have certain egg Humpty Dumpty or something. Fun fact, you know Humpty Dumpty is not actually listed as an egg in the story. It's not named what it is. That's just our common imagination. So if the eggs are bought at random, what's the probability of it not having been bought at the end of day 10? So the won't, I think, is tricky. So we'll do, let's find how many are bought after day 10 and then take that away from 700. So we'll do 36 times 10, that will give us 360, and we're going to take that away from 700, so it will be 360. You're going to do 700 minus that, it will give us 340, and that's what you'll take over 700 to see the probability of it still being there. So 340 over 700, 34 over 70 gets us 17 over 35. C. I think a lot of people would put D because they would miss the won't part, but if you see the won't, you'll be golden. So let's do one more of these together and you'll be left with a third to do on your own. John has 48 marbles. He has no blue marbles at this time and 12 red marbles. If he adds 2 blue and 2 red marbles to his collection every day until he has 100 marbles total, what is the probability that when he selects a marble at random, he will be selecting a blue marble? Okay, so he has 48. There's no blue and there's 12 red, so he's going to be adding 52 to get to the 100. So we're going to do 100 minus 48. That's how we'd get that 52. And then he's adding 2 red and 2 blue a day, so he's going to be adding 4 a day. So let's find how many days. He'll be doing 13 days. So he's doing 13 sets of 2 blue and 13 sets of 2 red. So he goes from no blue to 13 times 2 blue. So he has 26 blue, so we'll do 26 over 100 total, and that's going to give us 13 over 50. So this one's kind of a reading comprehension. You have to imagine the scenario playing out and then keep track of the numbers. So I think this is a very solidly medium level question. Nothing too crazy. The material is not something that most people haven't seen, but just about being orderly and reading carefully. So I'll leave you with the last one to try out solo. Put the answer in the comments and I will respond, and you can always watch the video where I answer this in a big probability compilation video. If 280 college students register for a math class every day, what fraction of the 2,520 math students in the semester register in the first 6 days? A, 1/6, B, 1/9, C, 1/4, or D, 2/3? Try it out. Let me know what you get. I hope you're all enjoying the summer weather that's coming. If you're in the southern hemisphere, I feel like the winter might be nice as well. So just get outside a bit. Don't be too bogged down in watching videos and studying. There's more to life. But when you are studying, I hope it's productive and enjoyable. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.